Have you ever wondered if travel insurance is really necessary for your trips? It's a question that often pops up when we're planning our adventures, whether to the white sand beaches of Bali or the snow-capped peaks of the Alps. Travel insurance, as the name suggests, is a type of insurance that covers the costs and losses associated with traveling. It's often viewed as an optional add-on, something you might consider if you have a little extra cash in your travel budget. But is it really just an optional luxury, or is it a critical part of smart, responsible travel? Think back to your past trips. Have you ever found yourself in a situation where travel insurance could have come in handy? Maybe a canceled flight, a lost suitcase, or worse, a medical emergency? Now, with these thoughts in mind, let's delve deeper into what travel insurance really is and why it might be more important than you think. So, what exactly is travel insurance? Well, let's break it down. Travel insurance is a type of policy that protects you from certain financial risks and losses that can occur while traveling. It's like a safety net that's there to catch you when unexpected events toss your travel plans into disarray. Imagine you've booked a dream vacation to the Maldives. You've planned everything down to the last detail. But what if your flight gets canceled due to bad weather? Or you fall sick just before your departure? Without travel insurance, you could be left to bear the brunt of these costs. You see, travel insurance is designed to cover a variety of situations that may disrupt your travel plans. These include, but are not limited to, trip cancellation or interruption, medical emergencies, and lost or stolen personal items. Let's delve a little deeper into these. Trip cancellation coverage kicks in if you need to cancel your trip for a covered reason before your departure. It can reimburse you for prepaid, non-refundable travel expenses. Similarly, trip interruption coverage can help pay for additional transportation costs to return home or to catch up to your trip if you must leave or arrive late for a covered reason. Medical emergencies can happen anywhere, anytime, and without warning. Medical coverage within your travel insurance can help cover the costs of treatment and hospitalization, potentially saving you from significant out-of-pocket expenses. Lost or stolen items coverage is another important aspect. It can provide reimbursement for personal belongings that are lost, stolen, or damaged during your trip. The reality is, as much as we'd like to think our trips will go off without a hitch, unforeseen circumstances can and do happen. And when they do, having travel insurance can make all the difference, providing you with peace of mind and financial protection. Now that we know what travel insurance is, let's explore why it's a crucial part of planning any trip. Why should you consider getting travel insurance for your next trip? Well, let's dive into it. Travel insurance is like a safety net for travelers. It offers financial protection and peace of mind during your travels. Imagine you're on your dream vacation and suddenly you fall ill. Medical bills in a foreign country can quickly skyrocket, leaving you with an unexpected financial burden. Travel insurance can cover these costs, ensuring that your trip doesn't turn into a financial nightmare. But it's not just about medical emergencies. What if a severe weather event disrupts your travel plans or your luggage goes missing? Again, travel insurance comes to the rescue, covering costs associated with trip disruptions and lost or stolen baggage. As you plan your next trip, think about your own travel needs and potential risks. Consider the unexpected. Could you handle these costs without insurance? Travel insurance may not be the most exciting part of planning a trip, but it's an important one to consider. So, what are the key points to remember about travel insurance? Let's take a ride back down memory lane and recap what we've learned. First and foremost, travel insurance is a safety net, intended to protect you from unexpected mishaps on your journey, from flight cancellations to medical emergencies. It's not just about protecting your luggage, but your health and your peace of mind too. There are different types of coverage: medical, trip cancellation, baggage loss, travel delay, and more. It's crucial to read the fine print and understand what you're covered for. Remember, the cheapest policy may not always be the best fit for your needs. The benefits of travel insurance are numerous. It can save you from significant financial loss, provide assistance in foreign lands, and give you a sense of security. It's not just a piece of paper, but a passport to peace of mind. Next time you're planning a trip, remember to consider travel insurance. It might be the best decision you make for your journey. Safe travels.